guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Global Magazine Pie channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about what I've been working on recently, and I've been talking about some of the comments that are videos, and I think that I really need to address them in this video, and also talking about what I've been working on. And this is an online entrepreneur update with you guys because I really love it to keep you updating with what I'm working on, so maybe you can relate to it, and you can also feel free to share your own experience, what you're working on in the comment section below as being an online entrepreneur, because this is an online community where we talk about different things about making money online and also share our views and thoughts and comments and what we are working on. So this is an online entrepreneur update. So let's dive into today's video. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new video, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now, we have put on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send exclusive content regarding making money online each and every week in your email inbox. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about what I've been working on. Recently, I've been working on, I think I have did a poll on my community tab about talking about what do you guys want, whether you want a courses, whether you want a Patreon or membership, because I see that many people have been commenting on my videos. They were saying that they want to have some exclusive content about making money, opening up a shop, and going much more details about making money on Zazzle, on the Creative Fabrica, and on these various print-on-demand websites. They want more exclusive content, more in depth, because I do cover a lot more depth in my videos, especially in the tutorials that I make on the Sunday times, because in the Sunday tutorials I talk a lot about the things which you can do in your business. But also people want more exclusive things, so they want the courses, and some of the people really ask me for the courses. So that's why I ask you guys in that Patreon, in that community tab on my YouTube channel, and some of the people voted for the courses, some of people voted for other things. I don't know what that other thing looked like. That's why I asked them to actually let me know in the comment section below to know what does that other thing look like. But anyways guys, I've been working on a Patreon and I would be launching it soon, and that Patreon would be really exclusive for the people who want more stuff from me, focusing on making money online. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of the stuffs, exclusive video for the Patreon people, and also I'm gonna be doing a coaching sessions like 30 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes coaching session each and every month in the Patreon. So if someone wants really exclusive content, getting their shop reviewed, or if they have any stuff to talk about their online business, working on a Zazzle shop, if they need any help, I would be really going to help them on one-on-one coaching via the Zoom or via the Skype, whatever I'm gonna see it. But I'll let you know what I put in that. But this will really going to help each and every person who's there. And the cost of the things, I kept it as a sub-minimal, like I kept it as an affordable price so that everyone can afford it. And regarding the courses guys, I don't know, but making courses is a lot great deal than I ever thought of it, and I'm not a huge fan of selling those high ticket courses. I really don't enjoy that kind of selling. But also while selling the high ticket courses, you need to be replying to the chats, you need to reply in each and every comments of the people, helping them and all this kind of stuff. And personally I feel like this is a lot of the work, and I've been working on so many businesses in my background, so I don't have that much of time to actually always chatting, always replying to the people no matter what, and those kind of stuff. So I'm not really into high ticket courses, so I'll be focusing on the Patreon. And when I get a lot of the content on the Patreon, like exclusive videos and all those, I'm going to record them and package them into small video tutorials or small video classes or small workshops, which you can actually get them at a few bucks and you can actually download and watch them. So I'm gonna just put the Patreon stuffs into a sort of a workshops. But that would be a later part. I'm just thinking about it. Recently, I'm gonna launch it in the January. So all those of you guys are looking forward to get the shop review or any more help or what exclusive content, exclusive help, that the Patreon would be definitely will going to help you, because I'm gonna provide my more services to more detailed person who really wants that kind of content, and that would be there live with the January. I'm gonna be thinking about adding the perks, and that's what I'm working on for the Patreon. Another thing I'm working on is about the workbook. I'm working on a Zazzle workbook. Now the Zazzle workbook would be kind of like a planner for all those of you guys who are starting with the Zazzle but don't know how to proceed further with that, like what kind of things are really important, like the shop branding, the shop working on the collections categories, maintaining the shop, uploading the products, selecting the proper new products, doing the niche research, topic research, and also working on the promotion, how to promote on the Pinterest and all this kind of stuff. There is a lot more in that workbook which I'm working on, and hopefully in the next week I'm going to be launching that workbook, because I feel like this workbook is kind of like a planner for all those of you guys who are looking forward to get more deep into the Zazzle and to have the actual steps what they need to work upon, and they can also do their own research. So that is kind of like a planner which I personally use for my own Zazzle shop, and that helped me to become a pro seller on the Zazzle. So that could be helping you guys as well, getting the multiple sales each and every day, because I am also getting it, and I shared my workbook, my planner with some of my friends as well, and they are also getting the more sales. So it's a proven that this is helping you getting the more sales. That's why I'm working on it. That planner will going to comprise of, that workbook will comprise of the 50 pages, and the 50 pages will going to comprise of all the things that I work on my Zazzle shop till now. And if anything further required in the future, I'm gonna be updating that workbook in the future if I need any updates. So I'm gonna be mentioning that particular part in that I'm gonna be updating this workbook with time to time. But I'm working on and putting a lot of the stuff in that to help you guys. Working as a planner, working is knowing how to get started the Zazzle shop, how to get the sales, how to maintain it, how to do the shop review, the analysis, the reports, the sales, and also the messages that you receive as a designer. Yes, I received a lot of the messages recently about the custom designs. Some people also ask for the custom designs, that they want to hire me to make their custom designs. And they're gonna pay me extra dollars for that. So that's what I've also covered in my Zazzle workbook. So if you guys are really looking forward, then very well you need to be there with me, because I'm gonna be launching in the next week, probably the Monday or Tuesday. I'm gonna just let you know when I'm launching that, and you could very well get that workbook. It was comprised of the 50 pages downloadable PDF, which you can download it and you can fill it the way you want to. So these are the two new products I've been working on. And also guys, I want to talk about a little bit about the comments. Now a few days back only, I uploaded a video there in which I was talking about one secret way to get the more sales on your print on demand shop. And if you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. But in that video, I talk about one secret way to get the more sales. Now that secret wasn't really a secret, because many people know about that particular thing and many people may be utilizing it. I don't know much about it, but many people are not utilizing it, because if that wasn't really a secret, if that was so common, then everyone was doing it and everyone was getting the sales in the print on demand journey. But that's not really the case. So that's why I kept that thing as a secret. In that video, I get a few of the comments and people were saying that this is not really a secret thing. Many people know about it. What the new you are saying in this video, don't fish about, and all those kind of stuff. I really get that that wasn't really a secret. But if that wasn't really a secret, if it was that much common, then everyone was doing it in their print on demand journey and getting the sales. But that's not the case, guys. Not everyone is doing that. Not everyone is getting the good sales. So that's why I kept it into the secret thing, to draw your attention, to actually focus on that particular thing to help you get the more sales. That's why I kept it as a secret. So if any of you guys watching this video have a doubt about that video, it will be cleared for you why I kept it as a secret. And also I commented on that video, and I'll leave a comment pinned to that comment so that people can watch it, whoever is watching that video and thinking that, oh, it's not a secret, and what new is she's saying in that video. But that was the new, because if that was so much common, then everyone was doing it and everyone was getting the sales. But that's not the case. So that's why I kept it as a secret, so that it draws your attention. You can watch that video and you actually utilize it, and it actually helps you to get the sales. So that's why I kept it as a secret. Hopes that video makes really sense to you, and hopes you think in this way rather than thinking at, oh, it's not a secret, what's new, you're saying that. This is I'm working on, guys. Now it's almost December. It's a December only, last month of the year, and now I need to focus for my next 6 months, next year goal. So at the end of the December, I would be planning my complete 2022 goals, would be an average. Of course, I'm gonna go in monthly goals as well, but that could be an annual goals, a 6 months goal. I'll be making that, and hopefully I'm gonna make a video for those of you guys who are looking forward to set the new goals for 2022, because we really want a 2022 to be much more better than a 2021. So we really need to put the time and effort to set the goals, to meet the goals, and setting the time frames that also I covered in the workbook, so that you can have a proper goals, achieve the goals, and make the money and have a successful life, whatever that success looks like to you. So I'm gonna be working on my goals, and I'm gonna be making that kind of video talking about how I plan my goals, how I make my goals in a year, for a complete year, for an annual year, for 6 months goals. So I would be working on that recently soon. But for the December, it's kind of like a wrapping up month, and I've been working on the things that I need to wrap up for this entire year to have a proper ending of my 2021 and setting up myself for 2022, making all the goals, because I am kind of a person who write each and everything down onto the piece of paper, because I'm an introvert and inner voice is more louder in comparison to my own voice. So I have a lot to write, I have a lot of the thing, and I think a lot. So that's why I maintain a planner, the journal, the workbook, logbook, and all this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna be making a video another at the end of the December. I will going to make a video, so hit that bell icon so where you will be get notified about it when I upload that video. I'm gonna make that video talking about how I'm gonna plan my 2022 with you guys, and 6 months goals, yearly goals, how to set it, how to set the realistic goals to actually achieve them. Because if the goals are too broad and too vague, then the chances of achieving them is very unlikely, and we want to achieve them. That's what the purpose of setting the goal. It's not for the kind of like a fancy that's there and we are not achieving it. So this month is my wrapping up month. I'm be launching the 2 new products, the Zazzle workbook that I'm gonna be launching probably the next week, and then I'm also starting with a Patreon from the January, and also I'm working on a January magazine edition. Now January magazine edition is really interesting because it's really innovative. I've been thinking of adding a lot of the content regarding the print on demand, regarding making money online as a creative person. A lot more content, not just for the art people, but also for the people who are making the money by the art, or who is also making the money by as a being a print on demand seller as a creative person. So I've been these 3 things and wrapping up my entire December, thinking that whether something is left for this 2021 or not. If it's left, then I'm gonna be wrapping up and finishing up in this December. So finally give a goodbye to 2021 and then set the new goals for 2022. So this is what I'm thinking for working for this entire month. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you are working on recently in your own entrepreneur journey in the comment section below, because it really helps us in relating to each other and building a community. That's what the purpose of this YouTube channel. So hopefully you find this video useful. To let me know your own experience in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.